Welcome back for another quick tutorial. Have you had a minor mishap? Did you run out of talent? Yep. You might want to know how to fix your car. In this quick, easy tutorial, we're going to teach you how to restore your Category B car to a nice road rubby car. So, it's this simple. All you need is some super resin polish, nothing else. Nothing will do. It's got to be the Autoglym super resin polish. If you're desperate enough, you could probably find this at your local Halfords or your Autoglym dealer or any kind of car show you won't find at all this time of year because it's winter, not summer. So you need that, and you need some kind of cloth. Now this can be any cloth you want, even though you'd found it on the floor, it's fine. A few stones don't hurt. Now what you want to do is you want to vigorously shake the bottle, you mix up all that polish, get it to work the quickest, the best, and apply a couple little dobs to the affected areas of your car. So kind of like that will do. Perfect. Now you want to very carefully rub them in overlapping circles, ensuring you get an even coverage over all the affected damaged areas. So, just like that. Any paint that chips off is fine, you don't need loose paint in your life, that's not an issue. So, just like that. And now, oh that smells nice. You want to leave it to haze over and dry off, and we'll be back shortly. Now that the polish is hazed over, you want to take an even dirtier cloth and start buffing it off. Now, when you notice not much is changing, you need to stop, slap yourself in the face. You're an idiot, you've ripped your car. It's not going to work, is it? And instead you want to do this. And this here is exactly what you need to do. Because you can't fix your old car, and you can't fix stupid. But what you can do, you can build a new car. And that's exactly what I have planned over the next year, once I've done a Range Rover, I guess. So, yeah. If you want to watch that one, stick around, and there's going to be plenty more episodes on it. Until then, cheers!